Hey, what's going on everybody? Ryan Huggins here, and in this video we are going to be talking about the 1 minute millionaire leverage. The topic of today's video is leverage. All right, hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here, winwithryan.com if you need to make some extra money. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about leverage. Leverage equals speed. I want you to see this here. All right, so leverage equals speed. Leverage equals speed. If you want to create wealth, you need leverage. Lots of it. There are three parts to leverage. The first part is the objective, which would be your dream that you intend to bring into reality. The enlightened millionaire focuses on a dream that advances humanity. It adds value. In this way, every dollar earned is an enlightened one. In addition, the processional events are always positive, and the dollars mount to millions. A sense of gratitude permeates the enlightened millionaire's being. The second part is the fulcrum, and this is you. You are the object upon which the lever pivots. Without you, there is no height to the lever, and the objective will never move, no matter how long the lever or how much force is applied to the lever. The third part of the lever is the lever itself. When the objective of the fulcrum, or when the objective and the fulcrum are in place, success depends on the length and strength of the lever. So again, pointing this out here. So you've got the fulcrum, which is you got your dream, the $1 million dream, and then you've got the lever, which is the actual stick there. All right, so the third part is the lever itself. When the objective and the fulcrum are in place, success depends on the length and strength of the lever. Assuming the lever is strong, it is all about the length of the lever. The longer the lever, the less force that is needed to move the object. A long lever works easier and faster than a short one. Enlightened millionaires know speed is the new currency of business. Hence, enlightened millionaires create very long and very strong levers. So let's go ahead and go a little bit deeper into leverage. The longer the lever, the greater the impact. So give me a lever long enough and a place to stand, and I will move the entire earth. Archimedes said that. So a movie star makes a movie. The leverage comes when thousands of prints are made and the movie is shown all over the world. The money comes when millions of people pay to view it. A baseball player plays baseball. The leverage comes when he is watched by tens of thousands of fans at the stadium and viewed nationally on television. The large salary a ball player makes comes from the revenues of the leverage. Teachers, on the other hand, usually have 20 to 40 students per class. They have very little leverage, and thus their salary is relatively low. Both the baseball player and the teacher add value, with the teacher generally seen as being more of a value adder, yet the baseball player has a greater leverage and thus is able to demand and receive more money for his services than the teacher. All large sums of money embrace the generalized principle of leverage. For example, the first volume of Chicken Soup for the Soul, the book, if you haven't read it yet, it's a great book. But the first example here, the first volume of Chicken Soup for the Soul added lots of value. It was a book that was written once, yet it was purchased by millions of people. Once the book became a hit, the authors were able to leverage Chicken Soup, the brand, into many other books, such as Chicken Soup for the Teenage Soul, and so on, as well as other products. Like the Chicken Soup calendars, tens of millions of these products have been and are continuing to be sold. This leverage creates continuous income streams not only to the authors, but also to the publishers, the distributors, the bookstores, and many others. The book Nothing down explains the power of leverage in real estate. For example, if you put 10% down on a $200,000 home that goes up in value by 5% in 1 year, then the property is worth $210,000. You get leverage not only on your $20,000, but also the remaining $180,000 that you borrowed. Your $20,000 investment has earned you $10,000, a 50% return on your money. When you are able to buy real estate for no money down, it goes up in value. You have created a return on someone else's money. Of course, some time and effort are involved. However, computing a financial return on no money invested shows an infinite return. That is infinite leverage. And in conclusion, the awesome power of leverage. Leverage is the power to control a lot with just a little. Big doors swing on little hinges. In the business world, there are 5 kinds of leverage. Kind number 1, if you want to write this down, OPM, other people's money. In real estate investing, we buy residential real estate with 10% down, and yet we control 100% of the property. The classic investment book, Nothing Down, teaches you how to achieve ultimate leverage. How to buy property with little or no money down. Thousands of people have become millionaires using this system. Number 2. By the way, if you're liking this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up on the video and also follow the channel. OPE, write this one down. Other people's experience, leverage number 2. It takes too long to learn it all yourself. So borrow or learn from others. The easiest way to become rich is to apprentice personally with someone who is rich. Learn all they know, meet all of their contacts, do what they do it even better. If this isn't possible, read their books, listen to their tapes, watch their videos, interview them if possible, and attend their seminars. One idea you learn can save you 10 years of work effort. Leverage is about maximizing your results in a minimum amount of time. Therefore, absorb lifetime bodies of information of insight compressed into instant usability just for you in the form of books, tapes, CDs, films, videos, and seminars. This is the cheapest and quickest way to gain OPE, other people's experience. The third one, OPI, other people's ideas. When Mark wanted to become a professional speaker, he attended the National Speakers Association meeting in 1974. Cavett Roberts, the Dean of Speakers and co-founders of this association, talked about how to create multi-authored books. Within a month, Mark had adopted the idea and created a book with Keith DeGreen called Stand Up, Speak Out, and Win. They enrolled 14 co-contributors who each invested $2,000 to obtain 1,000 books each. It was Mark's first zero cash investment. He capitalized on someone else's idea to personally earn $200,000 that year, selling 20,000 copies at $10 each. Your objective is to associate with people who can share with you their powerful money-making ideas. The fourth one, OPT, other people's time, another form of leverage. Individuals will sometimes volunteer their time in certain circumstances, but most will sell you their time, their talent, connections, and resources, and know-how relatively inexpensively. Leverage yourself with professionals who are excellent and unique at employing their abilities. So I know one of my mentors always told me he would rather have 1% of 100 people's effort than 100% of his own. And that goes a long way because you can actually get more done if you're having other people do your stuff too. OPW, other people's work, the last form of leverage here. Most people want a job. They want security rather than opportunity. Hire and delegate to them everything that you don't want to do and or can't do that well. Leverage yourself through other people and grow. Millionaires are masters at using all 5 kinds of leverage. So again, that is the 1 Minute Millionaire leverage topic. How are you using leverage in your life? Comment down below. Let us know what you're doing to leverage yourself, leverage your time, leverage your money, leverage your ideas. Are you using other people's ideas, leverage your money? Are you helping other people with your ideas, leverage your money? Let us know down below. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Again, this is Ryan. Win with Ryan. Keep winning, everybody. Have a great day.